Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mallorca Under the Sun, and today we're going to take a look at what there is to eat here in Santa Ponsa. Now I'm going to be taking a look at the east side of the resort, at the restaurants just up on the roadside here, to see what meals are available and how much they cost. Now the first restaurant we're coming up to is the Sherezade, which is a pizzeria and steakhouse and cafe bar, and they do a whole range of different dishes, including salmon for €17 or grilled sirloin steak for 23. So the beauty of this particular restaurant, and I'm just quickly run down the menu here to give you an idea, is that it does have the most amazing sea view. So we're just going to pop down the steps here, and this is a great place to come if you want to get views of the beach while you are eating your dinner. And the great thing with this particular restaurant as well is that they do have a kids menu as well, so the prices here for a meal range from about €10. So we're just coming past the Attitude Sports Cafe. You can come here as well for an ice cream after you've had your dinner. And they have it's a sports bar as well, so you can watch the football and enjoy a meal too. Now if you are on the move and you need something in a hurry, then pop into On the Road. They do paellas, pizzas and woks as well, and their prices are pretty reasonable too. And right next door you have the Mercader del Mar, and they have once again fish and meat dishes and also paellas. But the best thing about this restaurant here again is the view, so we're going to pop down and go and take a look. Past the Ebisu sushi restaurant as well. They do some fantastic sushi. Let's take a look at the menu. So this looks amazing. I mean, the sushi rolls range from around €12 to €14, and sashimi as well from 10. I'm just coming up past the new Acorn bar as well. It's a sports bar. There's a TV on the wall, and we're coming up past Bobby's here. Now it is advertising, and it's a newly chalked board that they do some good breakfast here as well. So you're looking at like €5.50 for an English breakfast, bacon, sausage, egg and beans, 2 slices of toast. So if you party too hard next door in the new Acorn, come here the next morning and come and get your breakfast. It's not open this evening because I'm down here on a Saturday night, but it will be back open again in the morning. So up next is El Balcon de Maria, and anyone who has kids here on the islands and lives in the southwest will know this area well, because you come here for food, and also there's an inbuilt play park as well for children. I don't know if it's reopened as well with COVID, but this is another great restaurant where you can come down and have some amazing, I seem to remember they do largely Italian food. They have nice pizzas and they have Spanish tapas as well. So before we check out the prices, let's go and check out the views. Now the great thing with this restaurant as well is that it is open 365 days of the year, and it's open as long as the current restrictions will allow as well. So the quality of the food here is fantastic, and I've been here for many a Sunday lunch. So let's check out the prices. Okay, so I can really recommend the paella here, and the prices range from around, let me have a look, well, €12.50 for a vegetarian paella per person, up to around €16.50 with all the seafood and the shells and everything like that as well. They also do meat speciality dishes, including lamb, pork, steak, and all that kind of thing, as well as pizza as well, which starts off at €8.75. So we're coming up to Bar Rumba. This is a great place to come for sangria. A small jug of sangria is just $5.50, and they also have sport as well on too, which you can see here. We could just pop in for a coffee and cake too for €3.50. So right next door we have Gauchos, which is a Uruguayan grill too. And of course you're going to have some fantastic steaks here. So I'm just going to have a quick look at the menu. And the South American grills are actually the best here because you really get the best quality of meat. And it starts off for a 300-gram steak at €26.30. But there are other main courses on offer as well, so you can get other steak dishes as well from around €16 too. So again, once again, a really good value. And right next door you have a huge restaurant called the Restaurant Rhein, and this is a great family friendly place. They literally have something for everybody. So just taking a look at the menu here, I mean they have everything from again steak, chicken breasts, fish as well, and the hamburgers here start from €7, so there's so much to choose from. And also pizzas are just €6 here, so this is a great value for money restaurant to come with all the family too. And they do a kids menu as well, and that is just for €6. So at this time of year, just the best time to get out and explore the resort is during sunset. So we're going to cross the road now and take a look down the other side of Avenida Rei Jaume 1 and see the restaurants on the other side of the road and see what they have to offer. I mean, they don't have the sea view obviously, but I think they have plenty of fantastic dishes for you to consider for your evening meal. So come on, let's go and check them out. Okay, so I'm just coming up past the Malgrats, Canyas and Tapas Bar, which is a great place I think to come if you just want something really light, some nice tapas. I can't see a menu, but it doesn't look overly expensive, so we're going to keep on pressing on. I don't want to disturb people while they're eating either, so let's go a little bit further down. And we're coming up to the Astro restaurant and bar. Now this is another sports bar restaurant as well, so let's take a look at what they have. Now look, they do have also English breakfast from €7.45. You can just come down here and get some scrambled eggs and toast for €3. They also do sandwiches, baguettes, salads and main dishes like chicken curry for €9.90, homemade fish and chips for $11.50. So the standard pizzas which start at €8.60. And then moving on to the Portofino, you have omelettes, hamburger and egg from €8.90, meat dishes, half a roast chicken with chips and salad for €9.90. And just across the road from the Portofino you have the Pizzeria Mamma Mia. So let's go and quickly have a look at the menu here. This is a nice spot as well. They have their own terrace too, and that looks out over the beach and over to the sunset too, so super nice place. Okay, so we're just going to look at a couple more places as I see them down this part of Santa Ponsa here. Okay, so we're coming up to the Sagantana here. This is a great place to come for seafood. You can see they do paella for €20 per person, and there's loads of different varieties as well, and you can also get meat dishes here too. So this looks like a really cool place to eat as well. It's actually quite a shame to see it empty, and for any vegans watching, they do have some vegan options too, such as pasta with pesto for €10, mushroom risotto for €11, vegan burger and fries as well for €9.50, sorry. But this looks like a really lovely place to eat. So if you're in the mood for Chinese, come on down to the Hangzhou 3, and they look like they've got some fantastic dishes here. So you've got your rice and noodle dishes, chicken dishes, and everything here starts from, my goodness, it's really good value, like about €6 for chicken fried rice, and for an actual dish around €6.50, so really good value. And they do have a special 3-course menu as well for €13.95 too. Now right next door we've got the Taste of India as well, so you've got your Chinese, you've got your Indian, so if there's something that you really fancy eating here, and they've got some fantastic, amazing dishes. So a chicken korma here will set you back just €8.50, and they do have other specials as well, so you can get a menu as well for 1 or 2 people for €29, and that just includes so many different dishes as well. So it looks like a really, really fantastic place to eat here in Santa Ponsa. Okay, so just coming down to what looks like just an ice cream shop, and I have to say they've got some fantastic looking ice cream shops here, but I'm actually standing outside the Watering Hole restaurant. Now this restaurant is completely unique in Santa Ponsa in that it has a swimming pool which is open to the guests who come and eat, so let's go and check it out. So as you can see, you can come out here and have a fantastic meal. Now I have been told that the menu here is traditionally British, so you can come out here, you can get your chili con carne, you can get your steak pie, but I can't think of a better place to come for a meal while you sit around the table here and your kids can enjoy a swim in the pool. Okay everyone, so I hope you enjoyed my video and it has given you some idea as to the restaurants that we have available on the east side of Santa Ponsa. Now as the sun does start to go down, I'm going to go and maybe take a look at that and then go and find some food for myself as well. So please, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe. It is completely free, and come over and join my Facebook group as well, also called Mallorca Under the Sun. So until the next video, goodbye for now.